Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to share Google Docs on Gmail. Friends, if you want to email Google Docs file on Gmail, then you simply need to open your Gmail account and here you need to click on compose. Now here compose your email. Now after composing your email, you need to click on Google Drive icon. Now here you need to select the Google Docs file. Now after selecting all the files, click on add as link. Now friends, your Google Docs file is attached to the email. You simply need to click on the send button. Now the email is sent. Now I will open the secondary email ID to check the mail. Now friends, here you can see I have received the email with a Google Docs attachment. I just open it. Now here is my Google Docs file. So friends, like this you can very easily share your Google Docs file on Gmail. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.